Can I separate my iPhone from my child's iPhone with the same Apple ID but keep parental controls?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we are going to talk about how to separate your iPhone from your child's iPhone when using the same Apple ID, while still maintaining parental controls. We will take you through step by step on how to do it.
Why should you separate the iPhones?
Sharing an Apple ID across multiple devices may seem convenient, but it can also lead to problems, especially with iMessage, FaceTime, and iCloud data. Separating the iPhones by using different Apple IDs will allow you to avoid these issues and maintain a greater degree of control and privacy.
How to create a new Apple ID for your child?
First, you need to create a new Apple ID for your child. Here's how you do it. 1. Go to Settings your name Family Sharing. 2. Tap on Add Family Member. 3. Select Create an Apple ID for a child and follow the on-screen instructions.
How to set up family sharing?
Now that your child has their own Apple ID, you can set up family sharing. This is a fantastic feature that lets you share purchases, subscriptions, iCloud storage, and more with your family, all while maintaining separate accounts. To set this up, you should 1. Go to Settings your name Family Sharing. 2. Follow the prompts to set up family sharing.
How to use screen time for parental controls?
After setting up family sharing, you can use screen time to enable parental controls. Here's how. 1. Go to Settings, Screen Time. 2. Tap on your child's name under the Family section. 3. You can now set up various restrictions, like downtime, app limits, content and privacy restrictions, and more. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to separate your iPhone from your child's iPhone while still keeping parental controls. You'll have a greater degree of control and privacy, and your child will have an Apple ID of their own. We hope this video has been helpful, and don't hesitate to ask if you have any more questions. Happy parenting and tech managing!